Is Mobile Legends taking too much of your phone's storage? Well, you can actually clean that storage up without deleting your game. So, if you want your MLBB to use less storage on your Android phone, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Clear redundancy. Open your Mobile Legends game. From your lobby, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Now tap on Network Test from here. After that, tap on Clear redundancy. Then tap on Scan and Clean. This will take a bit of time, but eventually this will clear up any unnecessary downloads. Step 2. Clear cache. From your app gallery, tap and hold the Mobile Legends app icon. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Find the storage option from here. Tap on it. Tap Clear Cache. After that, close all your background apps and try opening MLBB again. You should at least see 500 MB of unnecessary files have been deleted. Your game will run just like before, but your storage now has more space. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Mobile Legends fixes. See you next time.